Checking out her, oh, just walking around her. Vietnam. To see in the world, so many streets and cities to view in Vietnam. Oh, 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 Vietnam. Walking around her, seeing her, checking out where, oh, just walking around where.
Film this street, Chu Van An. This is I filmed it yesterday evening, and we're gonna film what it looks like in the daytime. There's a bunch of people coming out of that restaurant, and this is the street that we're gonna be filming right here. Lots of kind of tourist stuff, kind of interesting stuff like that. We're gonna highlight all of those things, and first we'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we are in Hue, so I have lots of street videos in Hue. Let's put this up on the map. This is where Hue is at in Vietnam. And then we're basically going to be in this area, which is where the tourists are at. So let's just get right into it and show you as if you're there yourself. So Chu Van, and that's our other street right there. That one. Looks like there's a stadium over there. So let's go down our target street. So we have all these kind of cool places to sit and eat, and you can look out on the street. So let's just take a look at that real quick. They look like that. Very common on this street, and actually you kind of see it throughout all of Vietnam, including this street. Hong Tra. This is another one, Tuborg. Tuborg is a beer from somewhere in Scandinavia, European beer. The one they drink here is called Huda. Huda is the one that's brewed locally. There's some nice architecture in this whole area. So, and then we also have something kind of cool over here. Take a look at that. I saw this yesterday evening. All kinds of cool places you can sit. It's like more of a, it says coffee and tea, wine. I think there's long drinks, cocktails. I guess there's all kinds of different stuff. Some nice artwork on the wall too. You see that? I guess it's called brown eyes. Open till the last one passes out. Pretty cool. It's like, kind of feels like a nice hidden little spot where you can look out in the street without people looking directly at you. Okay, let me just see. Keep on walking down. This is another, I think it's Japanese, but you can also sit outside here too. Unfortunately, a lot of these streets they block the sidewalk. They park the bikes in a way to block it. Massage. Yeah, so it's hard to walk through that, right? And I think these cars are illegally parked. I'm not sure, but they kind of just park. I was watching it while I've been here, how those are often kind of block the street and people have to go around them. Then you got these little alleys. These are amazing. And then if we meander around in these, there's like hotels. I think I might have even walked into this one already. I think the last time I was on the street, I walked all the way down one of those. We're gonna keep on moving on this one. Yeah, and in the evening, these all fill up. The streets are all filled up with people. It's a burger place. And they all kind of face the street, you know, so all the streets, all the chairs are like that. Not all, some are not, but many are like that. Which I kind of like. You sit side by side with your friend or whoever, and you just kind of watch all the people coming and going. More nice architecture. Okay. There's architecture. That looks really cool. Okay. And right up here, we're going to be coming up to a Four Corners. And I think this one is Baga. Baga, yeah, Baga restaurant. So this is a Baga restaurant. And I think the Baga has maybe barbecue, maybe the Korean barbecue. And then you have more over here, which is hot tuna. Another one there called Va. That one looks really cool at nighttime. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down. Let me just see here. So yeah, this is kind of the hot Four Corners. This one, hot tuna, Va, Baga. And the tea factory. So that goes, this is also, there's like a Cuban place down that way. We're gonna keep on going down this way though. Convenience stores. So even the convenience stores, they have all the chairs out here, so you can also bring those out too. Okay. So they're usually raised because they want you to come, so they, if they see a foreigner, they'll try to get your attention right away. So if you're a foreigner walking in these streets, a lot of the restaurant owners will try to wave you and pull you in, ask you where you're from and stuff like that. So actually I heard somebody else doing that too a few minutes ago. But I'll just, sometimes I'll notice them and wave, and sometimes I won't. People here are very eager to get your business, so they'll accommodate quite persistently. Okay, let's keep on walking down. more. There's paintings. Okay, so yeah, it's much more interesting in the evening. So everything's more lit up, more people around. But I think you can kind of get an idea. Here's another, these mini marts stuff usually will have seats outside. So this one does too. So you can grab your beer or your cola or your chips or whatever and sit and eat something for a little bit. Italian restaurant. Okay. We're gonna keep on going down. This little coffee shop thing. It says coffee, there's places to sit right there. It looks like you can also go in a little bit. Let me see. Tuborg. And of course we got more places you can sit on this side as well. Let's see. These have the chairs. They'll come out later.
Hello!
Hello. Okay. So we're gonna come out to the end in a moment. It's beautiful balconies. Yeah, people are quite friendly. Very friendly. And persistent. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna come out to the end of our street. Come around to the corner here. So this will be the last Hawaii video. So waterfront on the other side of all these businesses. And we are gonna be, that's ours right there. And this is kind of like one of the main drags, but it's in the daytime, so. And now we're on this other street, Liloi. I'm gonna end the video right here. All right, that's the way for you.